What's up, guys?
What's up? Today we're gonna unbox the Bronco 4x4 truck. This one is
Bronco.
The
We're going to unbox Bronco.
yeah, the Bronco power drive.
We bought it from Costco.
Yeah.
Costco for $114.
So we're gonna open this one and unbox. Okay, time to unbox this big truck from Costco.
Let's go.
Hello.
Itong pag-ubol ng box kay.
This is the biggest truck. Time to unbox this. Yeah. So guys, this is the side of the truck.
This is the back.
Front.
This is the front.
Get the front.
And
And
the tires are soft. Comes with
the battery charger.
remote control. And there are two AAA batteries inside. I already put the batteries. So this is you have the option here if you want low speed,
Or high speed.
high speed. This is how you
move the tire.
navigate the tires. And this is backwards, this is reverse, and this is forward. So this is the remote control. So it comes with battery for the truck and also for the charger. Let's connect this and plug. I don't know the battery life, if how many hours, and also the charging time, because there's no manual. Now we're going to put the battery. So this is how you put the battery and connect this.
Charge, Ma. Excuse me.
Reverse. You go reverse.
Forward.
So this is for outdoor.
We're outside.
Dito ka ba naman? Go!
I love this truck. We're excited to play this truck tomorrow. I hope you subscribe and turn on the notifications and like the video and comment down below if this is your favorite truck or not your favorite truck. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.